Hi, if you're watching this, then you're probably a window cleaner. So hello, window cleaning world. I know that if I ask you what is the one thing that you don't like about window cleaning, you're going to say the cold. So here I am. It must be below zero because my hands are absolutely freezing. And I'm just going to share with you a tip, which is hopefully going to help you to keep your hands warmer this winter. Would have liked to have maybe shared it sooner, but hopefully with the cold days ahead you can still in the following months and years find this tip helpful. So I'm just going to show you what it is. So what we've got here is a standard Pulex 22 litre bucket, and I've put a piece of plastic, solid plastic in here, and it's suspended with these bungee straps hooked onto the bucket. They're 45 centimeters, which just gives it the right length to remain above the water. So what that means is we don't have to go fishing about in the water to get our tools out, because as you know, if you wear gloves, the gloves get wet, your cloths are going to get wet. There are hooks available that you can put on and keep your tools there, but not having anything in the water is going to mean that the water is going to splash about a lot. And if actually this acts as a bit of a splash deterrent as well. So basically what it means is the handles of the equipment are kept dry and out of the water. When you need to wet the tool, you just push the strip washer under and get it wet. Okay, I hope you found that helpful, and if you did, then please share the video with another window cleaner that you think could appreciate it. Help them keep their hands warm this winter. And I'd also invite you to come and visit our website, which is Windows, that's Windows with a Z, .it. Please visit our website, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be posting some more videos soon. If you don't speak Italian, you can just skip the ones that are in Italian. Okay, bye bye.